I'm Elizabeth. I'm Elizabeth Howard. I've been an activist since I was about 10 years old. I'm an animal rights activist, and I want them to have a part in this. And so I'm going to speak for the animals today. That's my life. I love them. And I'm going to speak a little bit about the money. Right down here at the university, there are thousands of animals sitting in cages being experimented upon for great amounts of money that comes to the university, millions of dollars. There are individual experimenters who themselves make millions of dollars on absolutely useless experiments. I'm not going to try to make this detailed. I've been researching this for about 30 years now. There are people looking these experiments up right now. This is money that could be spent on human and animal health, prevention of disease. There's a guy studying AIDS in children. He's watching them as they die. Okay? That's his service that he does with humans. When he's doing his real thing, he's cutting on monkeys. Millions and millions of dollars. Could we just go get them out of the cages? We just go do that? Now I want them out. I want them out. I want them out while I'm still in this lifetime, and I don't know if it's going to happen. The other atrocity for animals I'm going to talk about is the slaughterhouse, the feedlot, and the slaughterhouse. And there are people at the top of this chain that are making huge amounts of money. And guess who works in the slaughterhouses? The immigrants, the people of color, and women. And it is one of the highest occupational injuries that there is. The only higher percentage of injuries and occupations is probably in mines, if it is even higher. What a bloody business. What a fearful business. These animals have a terrible life and a horrible death, and that is money too that goes toward, not for us, if that's what you care about, yourself and your children, that goes to the people up at the top, the CEOs, just like always. Everybody else gets hurt. The animals are suffering. And I want you to remember them when we're planning this perfect little world we'd like to have here. Remember the animals, please.